In our podcast, Keep It or Change Cars, we discuss warranty and maintenance plans, Audi's Freeway Plan versus the rest. Catch You Ask, We Answer, Sell or Keep, Mercedes C180 and Honda CR-V dilemmas. Let us know if you agree with Mike and Nikki. In this All Things Motoring special, we take you inside MFEST, South Africa's biggest festival dedicated to BMW M performance, heritage and lifestyle. This is All Things Motoring News. To read the full articles or view the full videos, click on the links below. VW's Jonathan Mkhotsi dominates at Carlani. Cherry South Africa reveals Live for More, a bold new brand philosophy for 2025. Easter Egg Hunt the Opal Way, find the sharks in the new Grandland. World Mustang Day celebrates nostalgia, new models and new records. Eastern Cape Volkswagen plant to undergo preparations for A0 SUV entry production. All Things Motoring backs cars in the park. This year, All Things Motoring is a proud sponsor of this standout event organized by the Pretoria Old Motor Club. Remember, to read the full articles or view the full videos, click on the links below. All Things Motoring News is proudly brought to you by CHANGECARS. If you're looking to sell, need advice, need finance, or need insurance, CHANGECARS has you covered.